So there are so many things in life that are good for us. Good habits, healthy routines, but that we don't necessarily follow. There are times when we find it easier to follow them, and there are times when it's more difficult. Now, interestingly, when we are either overworked, when we're particularly stressed or anxious, perhaps we're short on sleep, these tend to be the times when all of those good habits slip away. Ironically, of course, it's in those times when we need them the most. And right now, we really need them. It's really important that you take the time to look after yourself. Even with all of this going on around us, no matter what we do. And I know doctors, I know nurses who are stepping out of really hectic, difficult, tragic situations often to take time out to look after their mind. So do find a time in the day when you can pause, whether it's for 10 breaths, whether it's for 10 minutes, and actually practice some of these mindfulness tools. If you can, find time in the day to actually move the body, to get some exercise. It's not just good for the body, it's also good for the mind. If you can, try to have a relationship with food that is healthy, that's going to allow you to feel good about yourself. And when it comes to sleep, make sure that you are getting sleep. It's not just sleep, it's also restful sleep. Maybe even try a few of the sleep exercises so that you can sleep a little more easily, a little more peacefully at night time. Whatever you do, know that self-care is not just about us, it's also about those around us. The better we take care of ourselves, the better we're able to show up for the people around us, the people we love, the people we care, and for our community. In this case, showing up for New York.